Assalamualaikum friends, how are you? I hope you all fine and doing good. So today we are gonna make spaghetti, which is hot and sour. The flavor is hot and sour today. So here I'm taking some green chilies. It's about 4 to 5 green chilies which is sliced, 2 large tomatoes which is sliced, 250 grams of chicken, 1 cabbage, 1 whole cabbage which is chopped. Okay, so here I took 3 to 4 green onions which should be really fresh and it's chopped, and some capsicums. It's about 2 large capsicums. It's also chopped. And this is spaghettis which is already boiled with some salted water and oil. So now let's start. So our oil is enough hot. Now I'm gonna add the chicken. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Saute it for 5 to 6 minutes till the chicken changes its color completely. Now I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes. Now we will add the tomatoes. Now add the salt, 1 teaspoon. So now I'm going to add some hot and sour masala. Now add 1 cup of water. Now we have to cook the chicken till it gets tender. Cover it. So now it's done. Your chicken is completely tender. Now we will add 2 teaspoons of black pepper powder. Cabbage. Now we will add 2 tablespoons of red chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Now mix it. Now we will cook it on high flame. Add the capsicum. Now we will add half cup of tomato ketchup. If you didn't subscribe our channel, please go and subscribe first. Press the bell icon so you will never miss any video from Cook with Komal. Now we will add the chilies. Now we will add the spaghettis, which is boiled. Now we will add the green onions. Now simmer it for 5 minutes. Now it's done. I'm gonna dish it out. So this is our final look of hot and sour spaghettis. I hope you guys like watching this video. If you did, you know what to do. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. We'll meet you in another video with some new recipe. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.